Step 1, make sure that your Excel file is macro enabled. So if you haven't already done so, go to File up here and then go to Save As an Excel macro enabled workbook. Then we're going to hit Alt F11 and all we're going to do is hit right click, go to Insert, User Form. And in the name properties, we're going to change the name of this just here by double clicking to From Hidden Warning. You can see there. Then we're going to add these controls from the toolbox. So we're going to click on here, we're going to hit the A, and we're just going to create a label there. And we're going to rename that to IBL title. We're going to do the same thing again. And we're going to name that to IBL hidden. And then we're going to put a command button, which is this AB button here. And we're going to call that button unhide. Then we're going to create another one. And we're going to call it button close. Just like that. Then we're going to create another user form. So under forms, we're just going to right click, insert user form. And this one we are going to call From Hidden Success. So again, just double click there. Then we're going to add a label. So again, it's our A, and we're going to change the name to this. And then we're going to do another label. And we're going to change the name to this. And then we're going to do a command button. And again, rename that to button OK. Now we don't want any gaps in between, so make sure that you're labeling exactly as I'm showing on screen. So step 3, we are going to create a module. So we're going to right click, insert module. Okay, and then here, what we're going to do is you're going to copy exactly what I have put in the description section into here. Okay, and then we're going to click on the From Hidden Warning form. And we're going to right click and go to View Code. Again, copy exactly what I've put into the description section. We're going to do the same again, From Hidden Success, right click, View Code, copy, paste, done. Okay, now we're going to hit save. And if you haven't already saved as a macro workbook, you will get this warning. So if we hit save now, there we go, we're not going to get that error. So we're going to hit Alt and Q. That's going to close down the macro screen. We're going to go to the developer tab, of which you can see it's not up here at the moment. So if we go to File, go to Options, and then we go to Customize Ribbon, go to All Tabs, and then go to Developer there, hit Add, and you can move this upwards, which is what I am going to do. Hit OK. Now if we go to Developer, we can insert a button. So we're just going to pop this here. So we're going to go to Insert, and just hit that first one that says Button. And we're just going to add it there. And this box will come up, which is just to assign a macro. So we just want to select that Check Hidden Tabs. Click on OK. I'm going to double click into it. And we're going to change the text there to Find Hidden Tabs button, just to make it really clear. Or we can call it Check for Hidden Tabs. So right click, Edit Text. Delete all of that. Check for hidden tabs. There we go. So you can click anywhere to deselect that. Next, we're going to click on the button. And that's now going to tell us the following tabs are hidden. So budget versus the VAT return. So we can either leave hidden for now, so it's not going to do anything at all, or we can click on it and go to unhide all tabs now. So we'll get a button to say all tabs are now visible. So if we go across, we can now see that this tab and this tab is now there, and we can test it. So if we just hide the balance sheet and go again, it's now saying the following tabs are hidden, balance sheet. Unhide all tabs now. Now, if you'd like access to this Excel file, the link is in the description section below, where you can grab it for the grand old total of £2.99. An absolute bargain for a ready-made demo workbook. And if this video helped you today, please do give it a like because it really helps more people find the channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It's free so that you never miss any more of my future tutorials. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!